Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today update, we have some important stories from South Sudan that you need to know, from security issues on the road to political dispute, violent attack, and support for veteran children. We will cover it all. Make sure you stay with us because these stories affect thousands of lives across the country. Before we begin our report, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin our report with NGO vehicle robbed on Kapoita Camp 15 road. According to the authorities in Kapoita, South County, Eastern Equatoria, are investigating a robbery that happened on the Kapoita Camp 15 road. According to them, a vehicle from Community Action for Relief and Development, or CARD, was attacked in Lowaring. Bandit attacks are common in this area, especially during the dry season. The stolen items include $400 US, 250,000 South Sudanese pound, 3 laptops, 6 smartphones, 1 GPS device, and 6 bags of personal belongings. These were stolen or robbed by the robbery. The county commissioner, the county director, and the commissioner of police are leading the search to recover the stolen item. Authorities are warning people to be careful while the operation is ongoing. This robbery shows the dangers that aid workers face while trying to help communities. These teams risk their safety every day to bring essential help to people in need. Let's move on to our second top story. NDM party dispute. Dr. Lama Akol remains chairperson. This is very important update. In a political news, the National Democratic Movement, which is NDM, is under the leadership of Dr. Lama Akol Ajawin. Despite claims from 3 party members who tried to remove him, the 3 members say Dr. Lam broke party rule and named Majubiel Turuk as interim chairman, but the National or NDM's party say this action was not legal and call it a move by long-term party detractors. Well, according to the party rule, only the National Delegates Congress NDC has the power to remove the chairman. The NLC has 100 members, so 3 people cannot make such decisions. The NDM expelled 6 members, including Turuk and Peter Lomode Francis, for acting outside the party rule. The party also dismissed claims of tribalism and nepotism, asking why the accusers themselves rose to senior position if that were true. Politics in South Sudan is often complicated. This story shows how leadership dispute can create tension in political parties, but NDM insists on following legal procedures and protecting the party constitution. Let's move on. Violence in Jonglei. Save the Children facility destroyed. According to the report, In Jonglei State, violence has forced over 235,000 people to leave their home in just 4 weeks. Army gang attack Save the Children office and a local health center in Walgak, Akobe County. Save the Children has stopped its operation in the area and evacuated 30 staff members. Their office was burned and the primary care center was destroyed, according to the information. Fortunately, no staff or local community members were hurt, but the destruction has cut off essential service for children and families. This shows the human cause of conflict. Families and children lost access to health care, education, and safety. Save the Children has been in South Sudan since 1991, helping children with health care, food, and education, but attacks like this make their work very dangerous. The United Nations warned that the violence is worsening food insecurity and cholera outbreak. Humanitarian access must be served and uninterrupted, or thousands of families will continue to suffer. Let's move on. Scholarship for children of veterans in South Sudan. According to the report, Adut Salpakir Mayadit, Senior Presidential Envoy for Special Program, she has promised 200 scholarships for children of veteran soldiers. This is part of the government effort to support veterans, their children, and wounded soldiers. I do thank the veterans for their sacrifice, which include time away from family, loss, opportunities, and lifelong challenges. The scholarship aims to improve the future of veterans' children and provide long-term support, not just symbolic gestures. This is a positive step for the families of those who served the country. Education is a powerful way to support the next generation and reorganize the sacrifice of soldiers. That is for today. Changfied news update from security challenge to political dispute, violent attack, and support for veteran children. This story reminds us of the challenges and hope in South Sudan. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next update. Biya kamal gwasa me ka Changfied YouTube channel to kon keler shup ko ngwan te banaling. Kay poni kon ban kwen gwasa me bana right ketin kon lat ko den channel right kamana na chiro da lat ka dor shalke ka poita cam 15 volt. Chinede kon te kalwangan winimi te ke ripon mi chikana lat chikala do nena. Kane kon te kalwanga ka poita South County ke Eastern Equatoria wa take investigation milade milat kene chala don wo chane ken chaka mach wa take turbil milat ka community action for relief and development re wedien winimi an turbil mo chaja get ka dor shal ko lo wareng ne ite mo shuri en jek cha turbil cha kap chong ka cha kwa ken dial cha nang ka bom ware wejin gonimi gwada dana chipin cha te ka ke cha telpiu wala ne tin kono kwal ngol kana man kan kwa kene cha kwal kene ka kwa credit long kwa cha kwal kan tin gwata me ka ba kwen ya ka jan lera mene ke report dana shalat gwasa me shalat rone na kene sha yur shop ke kurdang $1 sha kanang netin kontil bandit kene de kono maikeke shalat wo sha yur shop ke 250,000 cha ganyo nang ba South Sudanese pound cha nang netin konen cha turbiden cha kapcho kene cha nang laptop na dang jok 3 laptop kene cha nang mobile dang bakel la smartphone kene cha nang GPS kel GPS device kene cha nang bag ne la personal belonging personal bag ni choko bakel cha nang kene den content maikeke county commissioner ke county director ke commissioner dung police ni kana katen gor kana ode kan kwakro de kana nyom gor kan ga ni te kon shi kana ka bom na mem chore la re duarien chirmana ngai kon no South Sudan che je shwar shira mo dien ke jen gwas me ngwa te na re ding na mi ji kon ngaje gwano shuere wiki juba kwal kan wani ki go da kon tikitin ke riana dial o mu kum mi che kan che lada lada che jalat ene dial kon lat ke ti jek che ka law jala lat ken wo wuje mo goro ba dakko mi chwer ano kui kana attack ka cha ka jogo no mala dina mi je ke charan cha kep je mi lay dan pa to juba so be che long. So the same thing get organized, but the good news is that nature can get up can connect, but chanang ka kwak in a conpai in kaling ka kwak did jo chakanang kandia one a clear of the guaseme relative to ka part Michel Gandhiam National Democratic Movement Marai ke wuri shal Dr. Lama call a chan rajane wo Dr. Lama call chalaram misha jojane kajen chak bona ka jo michalat guaseme chalado ne National Democratic Movement Michel Gandhiam wate pin Dr. Lama Kola Jawin chen me chala ro jeni chaje wo chene ri chupo dang jok tene dang do ti nyu wachi kan Dr. Lama Kol chiken George ka do bran kala re jeno Dr. Lama Kol kwanya ni shemane kala de ni shemane re party ka no kane dang jok to tin wo ke Dr. Lam wachi ka rule chiken violate ke chiken rule they broke party rules ka joran chalat no kane dang jok to ko gwaze dan wachi kan Dr. Lama Kol chiken joy ke ja shukanu shala majub biel turu chukana kwanya la ku la intim chairman lo cha Dr. Lama Kol cha jo cha wo re kuma kadien me cha janga je gwano cha Dr. Lama Kol cha jo no chetene to ko kende che benial no chine ko ka party no mo chi nyo mo nyurken kanete ramede Dr. Lama Kol de lwan ka mo wo ja ko party ne chu ko quarter te pinda tila members kana kwarken kel kana kunyara cha kwan wuri shalga me majubi turuk kana cha violate no rule dum pare ke andiyam so kana action me she legal ke kanu do mo go kana ka ngoto cha yapin ka pare dien kana national delegates congress me chala DC take a power ke take a long ko da Dr. Lama Kol der je ka party de ka Dr. Lama Kol je ramadan ko nya so ko ngode kon chigen ge yapin kan Dr. Lama Kol cha de wo je ne titi jo ko dokti ti cha biel cha majubi turu cha ko nya ne ala kuara kan me shi jan shi chuo metira mu Dr. Lama Kol ba je dil wo je National Delegates Congress NDC kan ko te ka power ka kan de ko te ka long National Delegates Congress NDC mo jen take a members to shop ko 100 Radiant kan ne dang jog de tan jago larno kan dang jog moy kan Dr. Lama Kol tanat kane yawana me shi decision go amenje to kan cha decide the national KNDM party mo kala do ne kan dang jog tin ko na ci nyur ci kan ka woj kan dang jog ko kelane dang bakalial kan ci kan ga expelled kan National Democratic Movement ci NDM party ci kala do ne cha majubi turuk chaje joj cha Peter Lumede Francis chaje joj ko kana wachi kan act outside of party rule kan ngod konte yana ro de ka panum kan go so jen do badan chalat ke jen go shaka joj jemana ngai kondiale Dr. Lama Kol wajen che corruption je lat ka party de baroy na che joje gwano chalaw jo na ka party men chaggen wa ne dang jok te nyut la do chude me ja kwani ji duarien ka nyok lat ken wo ci Dr. Lama Kol ci par me chal ke sa wa ba che dak no wa che na che divide but right now mi na nyu nyur ci ne ri choko jen baro de ko ken no kene de wana ko wa party kan ni tu chup ko kor ci nyo nyuri kan de ko ne cha kwan ki tin ci Dr. Lama Kol kan jo no cha jo ni panken jana dan bi anga jeno South Sudan politics te tar dina complicated wo ba ju ka pare du ka jin chakamo kala na ko na nyur ba evident ba ka nyur mi ram mo chum je che la tok den ba ko woch wa chi nyur ni de tot ko den ka ta ma chane to cha min kana la proposal in chari ja ka ne di ala to ko tele ka power ka tele ka long cha go ni panken cha dismiss KMDM wana ka Jordan gwasame kare ga dan ti to ka jongle dar shal ga me jongle state ka roy me chalat wa ke jen kor jong dang wan chirmi pai ne chu ku dang ro kin te ku dang ro jen de gu de die cha wa charen bar ka ku ko ran ji tuok dor me dor shal wal ga ka ku kanti ke report an chanu wa save the children ni cha dor ndan tiketin ki kwaken cha ka dak ka jo dan cha ra ken ka wal ga ka ku kanti it is save the children cha operation cha japelen with me ka jo ran kalat kan cha dorin cha ja wang dorin dio ja wang cha wala do wang geng ni ke wang ni cha rejek but in reality kamenan cha la da wang kume ka boga dan bakana ka je ke je report dan cha lat nyodo chicken deer ka ta dan dong ni ti de na de kan ka save ka je revision with me ka wal ga ka ko so da la report dan yen te report mi cha lat gwa se me nyawdo mi cha la misal pa ke ma yadit te kaneri kan ga kwan te scholarship ni kan ga aleka ka kwi ga de ni ke ga nen kontere ka South Sudan tela de ni adusal peke me yadi wajen charge advice ko gwan chadong gwan chalara mandit gwan wate legacy mugora belief behind so for that reason cha dut sal peke me yadi charge advice and wajin lemwane ka shodgu cha dut sal peke me yadit cha scholarship ni kwi gana shub kudang raw cha ka tok karyalaka ene konti la children of veteran soldiers ne kola deni tela deni kirmi yadi la deni gwan reason dan lele mi chena maka jangai kon mi dan chito mi shange ano teke deni SSPDF tilaran we gore medical assistant gwada dan cho kor cho nyinga na mi jan bana butej ba penu dong de me ka wal kirmi ci kona ngach ajana wi liu kor ka bendo yo chai bu bulwak ntama wachi kan la gujano de kan ne recon la SSPDF so de kan lo de kan la jaja test como kan ni kan jaja test we mean that tilambo koren bitter digani chura la kan tam na kore bikin de ni SSPDF bikin wi bikin ejek jen me kam kan program rare no kan cha guard shu ko 200 ke guard veteran soldiers ti chare la ka te ba mo ka gwamu gwa 200 scholarship ti bi gwa loro bang atel yor ka pinga kwidia ta jo mo cha jala de kan shi point en kum kirim yadit ko changa de no kwa challenge ki la ke jor ka ta da na rule kan wike je ti rule mo ko muda dien no dong ba ko de net ke je e jiwuch kana dinya kana de konen nan ka gat kin dul gorka ne gat ku dang ro titi wa ka gat dinya SSPDF tin konen ya mo ka bot no ta jo mo cha yela de kan lera du ler ne ti ler ka te lwa je no ko shiarun sakfa ko bui South Sudan bechong ban ngai kon no kor me kor kam SSPDF ken SPLIO kan jiwe je kelam bat chal ga kenu kene di chilet boka kwi wuch kuje mi kwi ke mi yadit so na me le rode na me adwo ko bi ne ko la de ni bi gan guje no she dier kirm yadit kaka kan ngai kon dial madan le rode ngai ko report dan le rode kam SPLIO ken SSPDF no kor le rode me senseless war me yos ke kim yadit ko berimen wi kwam jelma ngai kone cha du cha ja kwanya la kuer la tok especially in void ko chi kir chele jal chere mon chele lat ke jana bej point so chetoro che dal ke lo jaram dan binya de kalat ngai kon dial botin kon lat ko rodi en wo chi kir jala chi kwany gat ken wo ken de kon biken kam ne to jana dan le rode en tamanamo amugi kon kum South Sudan so beja one last report dong banyo yekel bala ta da ngai kon jeno Ray which ka South Sudan ke jen gwasa me shol na no ne first by president Dr. Machar alwen ke je kirmi yadit alwen ke je banawre malka misha Dr. Machar je bulun kuma SPLIO ne ine ko chine bepal dio te lingen no kuma SPLIO cha joch dar chal gamo ay jongle state na me akach kuma SPLIO take a organization who organize Nerodian, who will be can enjoy ra. Who come a can't go mal, who prolong the suffering of South Sudanese people. So could your money? Yes, feel like Chicalaro and whatever way then a coter Kajamo, Cabine Malno, the Yuka South Sudan bene deal there. Go damage a cannon and Ram Mitiai, Kakume, as well I will come as SPDF. Rami me a cock yo by the permission of Jin by make yo by my position. Chicken ideal kwa promise letter. A few people in content by 80 by Kulutol. so mishi yo Ramadan shi chulu yo bayu target ken jen ta dan lat ke je akum kirni yadit so report me da la je report an gore nyu akon kel ami jiram jidit ke Changfied YouTube channel gono bi nyane ko ken ni biata gamal bye bye